All right, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome. Um, I have a question on triangle. Question says, find the area of a triangle with a base of 10 centimeter and height of 8 centimeter. All right. So here is the triangle on the board. So we have the base, which is 10 centimeter, and the height 8 centimeter. So what is the area of a triangle? We are asked to find the area of a triangle. All right. So now what we are going to do is to get the formula for area of triangle. So formula for area of triangle, area, right, is equals to what? Half base times height. All right. This is the formula for area of a triangle. So if we use this formula to solve this question, what is our base? Our base is 10. So therefore, we are going to get half 1/2 times our base, which is 10 centimeter, times what is our height? 8 centimeter. All right. So this we times everything. So we are going to get 10 times 8 is going to give us 80. 80 times 1 is 80. So we are going to get 80 over 2. So now we can still break this down. 2 will go into 8 how many times? 4 times. So our answer is going to be 40 centimeter square. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Bye.